with you. Here's why I need to know. Yeah. Oh, baby.
Yo, what's going on, guys? Literally just woke up right now. It's 12:30 in the afternoon, or at noon, and I had this whole thing planned out for my tech review. This is literally my third take on trying to get this right. The first time I did it, it was really robotic, really robotic sounding, and sounded very script-like, and it was just something that I don't think you guys would have wanted to watch or listen to, because it was just so scripted, or sounded so scripted. So this time around, or the second time around, I did it in a vlog sort of fashion instead of doing it in a very typical tech reviewy sort of way. And I filmed that all in 4K, and once I got up to post editing, I kind of realized that I didn't factor in the crop factor that would be involved, and so a lot of my footage was unusable because I was super close to the subjects that I was doing, or it was very close to my face, and I didn't like that. So now, third time around, and hopefully the last time where I actually get this right, I am going to review the Sennheiser MKE-2 Elements mic for the GoPro Hero 4 cameras, and let's hope this time it goes around properly. So this is my review, and I hope you guys like it.
Oh, baby. Oh, baby.
Just letting you guys know that this is my first tech review, but third time's a charm, right? So this is the Sennheiser MKE-2 Elements, built specifically for the GoPro Hero 4 cameras. This is the box it comes in, and unfortunately I already opened it like 3 times. So I'm going to show you everything that comes in the box, and we're going to test out the Sennheiser MKE-2 Elements together. Hey, so I tried to put everything back together as well as I can to show you guys what exactly comes out of the box when you first opened it. So the first thing you'll notice is that the Sennheiser MKE-2 Elements comes in this foam case, which allows it to absorb any shock and protecting it from any drops or falls. Before we get to that, I'll show you guys that it comes with a spec guide, or not this one, sorry, a spec guide, but nobody ever really reads these, so put that away. And this one's much more important, which is an instruction guide on how to attach the Sennheiser MKE-2 Elements to the GoPro Hero 4 protective case. If you didn't already know, the Sennheiser MKE-2 Elements is actually a back door to the protective case of the GoPro Hero 4. So if you open this up, you'll notice that it shows you pictures and diagrams on how to attach the Sennheiser mic, which is actually really nifty, rather than just being like written instructions. One thing it also specifies here is the windshield and the mic itself. It just lets you know that, like, if the windshield or the mic ever gets dirty, you don't have to like wash it with soap or anything. You just rinse it off and you let it dry off. And for those of you that like stickers, they give you stickers with the Sennheiser logo, coming in 3 different colors: black, transparent, and white. So for all of you that like stickers, they give you stickers. Then on to the main case here. we have the Sennheiser MKE-2 Elements mic, which is a backdoor to the protective case of the GoPro Hero 4. You'll notice these blue blockers, which is kind of like a washer or something, just something to fill up the space inside the protective case. I noticed that I only ever need one because I don't have an external battery pack. And if you do have an external battery pack, I think you don't need you don't need to use these because it fills up the empty hollow space here quite enough. As you can see, its biggest feature is probably the big windshield here, the puff ball as I like to refer it to. You can unscrew this to take off the windshield, and then you'll actually get the mic itself right here. And inside that you'll have the attachment. And one thing to note is that the plastic part right here, you have to make sure that faces upward so that there isn't a complete seal inside the GoPro Hero 4 case, and that way it'll be easier to actually take it out. So what we're gonna do now is actually get the GoPro Hero 4, and I'll show you guys how to attach this. I'm gonna grab the front part of my protective case, took out the back door, doesn't have the back door on because this is a back door, and then I'm just gonna attach it like so, right there. And I always feel like I'm gonna break that, but I guess it's meant for that. Well, not to break. And then I'm gonna take one of these blue washers, or blue blocks, and I'm gonna stick it right here in the back part. And make sure that this open part here is facing the side where the wire is gonna go, or where the attachment is gonna be, which will be on the side right here of the GoPro Hero 4. So you would attach that, make sure it's on properly, and then you would face the plastic piece upward. And then you would just slide it into the front part of the protective case. And then the blue washer or blue block would go here. And then you would seal it, and be careful about pinching the wire because that's the only thing I feel worried about whenever I close up this case. And then make sure it seals properly, and then use the latch on the top of your protective case to apply even pressure against the little cutout here for it. Then lock it in like that. So it's pretty simple, and it looks great. So now we're gonna go test this out, and we'll see how it does outside, as well as submerging it in water and getting it all wet and whatnot. So let's go do that. So this is the Sennheiser MKE-2 Elements mic on the GoPro Hero 4 camera, and I'm just running it right now outside of my backyard. It's a little windy, and I'm hoping that the windshield is holding up right now. So this is just how it sounds. Comment down below if you could hear my voice properly, or if you could tell the difference between this one or the onboard mic that we're gonna be doing right now. So this is the GoPro Hero 4 without the Sennheiser MKE-2 Elements mic.
Like a bitch.
Alright, so now we're going to take the GoPro Hero 4 without the Sennheiser MKE-2 Elements mic, and we're going to see how it sounds when we fully submerge it underwater. And we're going to take it out and then just hear how it sounds. So, I'm going to start the record button in 3, 2, 1. So now we're rolling on the GoPro Hero 4 camera. And we're going to submerge this camera in the water that we have here. So I'm hoping that it sounds okay. Just let me know if you can hear me, guys. If you can still hear me or not. Yeah. Does it sound drowned out? Are you able to make out what I'm saying? All that. So that's the GoPro Hero 4 fully submerged in water. And what you guys heard when it was fully submerged. Right now I'm still talking. Just let me know if you guys can hear me. And this is what the sound quality is when it's fully inside the protective case without the mic. So now we're running the GoPro Hero 4 with the Sennheiser MKE-2 Elements mic, and we're going to fully submerge it in the water here and see how it sounds while it's submerged, and then we're going to take it out to see if it's still working and how the audio sounds. We're running the GoPro Hero 4 in 3, 2, 1. And it should be on right now. So now we're running on the GoPro Hero 4 camera using the Sennheiser MKE-2 Elements mic, and you're going to be dipped right in here. So drop in right, actually here, just do it this way. Drop in right. So the mic is fully submerged in the water. This is the GoPro Hero 4 fully submerged in the water with the Sennheiser MKE-2 Elements mic. Just let me know how it sounds. Is my voice coming through clearly? Hopefully it's not broken. It's my second time actually dipping this thing into the water, and still gets me a little bit nervous because I feel like I might be wasting money here by doing that. But let's see how it holds up. I'm gonna take it out. And as you can see, it is soaked right now. Luckily the GoPro is still running, so I guess that means that no water got in, meaning that it has sealed completely with this back door. Yeah, this is how it sounds on the Sennheiser MKE-2 Elements mic for the GoPro Hero 4. Hey guys, so I'm going to wrap things up here on my review for the Sennheiser MKE-2 Elements mic for the GoPro Hero 4 cameras. That's a mouthful to say each time. yeah, if I helped you guys come up to a decision on whether you'd want to buy the mic or not, then let me know in the comment section down below. If you like the video, the tech review vlog sort of style way that we did today, then shoot me a like. And if you want to see more of that, then just subscribe to my channel and let me know. So I'll see you guys in the next video. I really hope you enjoyed this one. Bye.